Hi students, this is T. Balakrishna, Chemistry Lecture GPT Kottagudem. Today our topic is Tyndall effect. Tyndall effect. So this Tyndall effect only occur in colloidal solution only. So here Tyndall effect means the colloidal particles are larger in the size and scattering the light passing through the colloidal. This is called Tyndall effect. When you are pass the light to the colloidal solution, that light is scattered by the colloidal particle. That is called Tyndall effect. That is called Tyndall effect. We want to clear clarification about the Tyndall effect. First, we prepare two mixtures. One is a homogeneous mixture, that is a solution. So this is a homogeneous mixture, this is solution. Okay, it is in a heterogeneous mixture, colloidal solution. In this solution, it is in a homogeneous mixture because the solute particle size is less than 10 angstroms. It is in a colloidal solution, the particle size is in between the 10,000 angstroms to 2000 angstroms. It is in a colloidal solution. It is in a heterogeneous mixture. One is dispersed phase, another one is a dispersed medium. It is in a solution. It contains two components. One is a salt and water. Salt is a solute, water is a solvent. It is in a homogeneous mixture. It is in a solution. It is in a heterogeneous mixture, colloidal solution. I try to explain the Tyndall effect in colloidal solution. Before going to discuss about the Tyndall effect in colloidal solution, first we pass the light to the normal solution. Okay, here the light ray is directly pass through the water solution. The light pass through the solution. There is no scattering of light. The light pass from one end to another end clearly. Here light transfer from one end to another end without scattering of light. So you observe the end, one end to another end. This is one end, this is another end. Okay, so the Tyndall effect in colloidal solution. When you are pass the light through the colloidal solution, you observe the path of light. It is in a cone shape. So we observe the path of light. We didn't see the second end of the light, but in this solution we see the second end of the solution. Okay, second end of the light, right? So it is in a first end, it is in a second end of the light. So we see this light end of the light, but in colloidal solution we didn't see the end of the light second